Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're gonna make some cinnamon rolls on the griddle. We're gonna do them two different ways. So let's just get it going. So here's what we're putting on here. We got these Pillsbury Grands, and that's made with Cinnabon cinnamon. I did not know that. And these are the deluxe, the bigger ones. So there's only 5 in a container. So you know what? Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Oh, give it a little press. Oh, I didn't want to break. Pop open real good. There it is. All right. Well, the top came off the icing. That's okay because it's still hard. Set that aside. That over here. All right. Now, so the two ways I'm going to do this. I'm going to kind of bake them for one side. I'm going to do 2 of them like that. These things do not want to come out of here very good. All right. So I'm going to bake 2 of them. I'm going to put them on a rack that I put some parchment paper on. I'm just gonna put one, you know what, I'm gonna move it down a little bit. Maybe I should have put a little non-stick spray on that, but oh well. So let me get this thing open. These things stick really good. All right, there's another one. Put that one here, let me make that a little bit better. There we go. All right, bang. I'm gonna throw the cover on them. I'm gonna let this heat up a little more over here, and then we'll get going over here. Cover these up and let them go. So now I got these 2 cooking over here, kind of baking, I guess. Now I'm gonna put a little clarified butter down over here. Any butter would do. I just have clarified butter, so that's what I'm gonna use. All right. Want to give it a little bit of room to smash these things. All right, now we got to pull these apart. I should have done this off camera. Boom. Good enough. All right. There's one. Come on, baby. There's 2 and 3. Oh, got a little warm over there. I didn't want to have it that warm, but hey, things happen, right? There we go. Get rid of these. I just wanted to not get my hands all sticky. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of butter because I was watching Johnny, Griddle with Johnny, and great channel. Go check him out. He's got some good stuff. I'm going to put some butter on top of these because from what I've seen, these things like to stick really good to the parchment paper, so I'm hoping that'll do because I don't have a stick of butter. So let's just smash it down, see what happens. Now, I'm not going to smash these all the way down like a... Oh yeah, that worked out really well. Nice. So yeah, that smash went really well. Now let's see what we got. These are all the way low right now. You know what? I'm gonna turn these off. These 2 I'm gonna turn off. I have these 2 on like a medium high. So yeah, we're running at like 330-ish. So a little higher than I wanted. I wanted to be around the 300 range, but I think these are gonna cook up just fine, just like that. So yeah, these are rising up real nice. So we'll let them go for another, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Check them again. And yeah, see what happens in about 2 minutes with these. So I've had these on for about 3 minutes or so. And yeah, let's give them a flip and see how they look. So this one is in a hotter zone for sure. This one was getting up to like 350, and this stayed around 300 after I killed the burner. So that's why this one turned out a little darker. But these look really good, and I know this one's still gonna be really good too. So now, let's take a look at these. So I'm actually, I've never done any cook like this. I'm a little surprised, I guess. I didn't think it would work out this well. Besides that one, they got a little too hot, but these other ones look really good. Golden brown, and this one, it's dark, but it's not like real, it's not hard or anything, so I don't think it's burnt. I think it might just be some cinnamon coloring and whatnot. But yeah, I was watching Griddle with Johnny, and he did his where he put, I'm doing mine under the dome on top of a rack. He put his, sorry, on the griddle with a piece of parchment paper. And he said that his got really brown on the bottom and all that, and so I thought I'd try something a little different, throw it on the rack, see how it turned out. And so far I'm really pleased with what's happening. So yeah, bring you back when I'm ready to take these things off, and we'll check on these in another, ooh, that's kind of hot, another I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Let's get a look at these. It's been about, I'd say it's been about 15 minutes that they've been under here. That's looking pretty good. That's definitely looking pretty good. Let me put this under here. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Ooh, hot. All right, let me put that. All right, let's check these out. There we go. So I think some of that browning is from the cinnamon cooking. So, these look pretty darn good if you ask me. Boom. Boom. All right, let me get this frosting ready, and we're gonna eat these things up. Let's give these a try. These look so good. Both of them look really good. I'm actually really happy with how that one baked up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Nice little breakfast. That smash one cooked perfect. Looks real good, real good. Let's get into this. Get over here. Both these turned out real good. I think I like the one that I baked. I like that one better because it's a little softer. This one does have a little bit of crisp on it, but that's good too because that turned out real good. So yeah, either way worked out real good for me. So that's it. Get in and eat my breakfast. Appreciate you guys coming along. Thank you, Johnny, for putting the video up, and I happened to see it and got me going. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me if you liked the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Don't forget, we're giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers, so stay tuned.